Om Namah Shivaya. Friends, today we are fine, but tomorrow how will be better? I will say something about that. I urge all the healthy and strong people in the world, people who look at their own bodies, people who do not have to take any allopathic medicine every day, people who have suffered pressure, sugar, arthritis, thyroid, have no such disease. People who do not drink wine every day. My humble request, those people of the world, minimum tiffin in the evening and dinner at night. Take totally vegetarian food. Get up in the morning and drink some urine of the first urine. Do not drink directly. Half mug of water and some urine in it. Early some urine, drop it. Drink 2 or 3 sips from there. Easy process. Do not hesitate. Give 2 drops of urine to both eyes. 90-year-old man, cataracts not will be appear in the eyes. This is called urine therapy or Shivambu treatment. If you do urine therapy every morning, your immunity system several times increase. You will be able to update yourself to nature. It is the oldest medical system in the history of the world. Today, pressure of civilization, we have forgotten the medical system in our own country. If you want to healthy life in the future, you have must to do urine therapy. Your antibody will increase its strength every day. You will be able to much better life. This medical system was performed by sages of India. Let we know about that when we should not take the urine therapy. If you occasionally take non-veg food at night, next morning do not urine therapy. If you occasionally drink wine, next 2 or 3 days do not urine therapy. If you ever treatment with allopathic medicine, next 15 to 20 days do not urine therapy. If there is any problem in stomach at night, next morning do not urine therapy. This is the one and only natural treatment that increase immunity. This is not a bad time. This is the time to prepare ourselves for the bigger problem in the upcoming future. In my first video, immunity increase by homeopath, I only talked about homeopathic medicine, but not all people believe in homeopathy. They will take homeopathic medicine along with allopathic medicine. Bryonia alba 6 1 hour gap or 33 hour gap will works very well with allopathic medicine for this seasonal problem. Bryonia alba is the perfect medicine for this seasonal problem. Which medical system was cured, it is not factor. Our first priority is to cure people. Om Shanti.